international aid to Horn of Africa. Following a statement made on Tuesday, July 5th by the United Nations, warning that hunger conditions in Somalia could lead to unimaginable proportions of human tragedy. Aid organization Oxfam's humanitarian director Jane Cocking further highlighted the dire situation as she said that 12 million people in the Horn of Africa are facing a fight for survival. This comes as the people in Ethiopia, Kenya, Somalia, and Djibouti experience the region's worst drought in 60 years, raising food prices and the risk of further conflict. More than half of those affected are children, with the majority of the remainder being women. The Dadaab camps in Kenya now house some 380,000 people, with over 10,000 Somalis arriving in precarious health conditions every week, having trekked through dry lands for days.
We are warning that humanitarian efforts to help newly arriving Somali refugees in southeast Ethiopia are at risk of being overwhelmed without a more rapid and robust international response to the drought and displacement crisis in the Horn of Africa.
On Wednesday, the European Commission announced a €5.67 million donation, raising its total contributions to nearly €70 million this year, while Ireland added to a previously donated €4 million, with an additional €400,000 to provide food supplies and to treat malnourished children through the humanitarian organisation Concern. Meanwhile, Norway is increasing her donation by €4.3 million for a total of €30.1 million to assist the operations of organisations such as the UN and the Red Cross. To help facilitate the delivery of vital goods and services, the group Al-Shabaab in Somalia also announced the lifting of a previous ban on all non-Muslim humanitarian aid, a decision welcomed by the UN, along with an urging for the group to ensure the safety of the aid workers in the group's territories.
We're struggling. We're doing our best with our partners, but the inflow is outpacing our capability, and the systems for meeting food and health needs are close to buckling.
When the international charities had first appealed to the public for emergency donations, Supreme Master Qinghai on July 5th had immediately pledged $100,000 to each of the groups: Save the Children, Oxfam, and the Red Cross, for a total of $300,000, with a personal message saying that she was doing so with love and gratitude to these noble organizations.
Our deep appreciation, and heaven bless all governments and organizations for your provision of life-saving assistance to the vulnerable, as we also thank Supreme Master Qinghai for her heartfelt support. As we pray for the resilience and recovery of the beautiful Horn of Africa people, may we act in kindness everywhere to restore peace and prosperity to all corners of the world.
Supreme Master Qinghai wants to convey this message of gratitude to all governments, organizations, and relief workers from every corner of the world. Thank you, all the international and national help that brings care and necessities to afflicted victims. Thank you, all the relief workers, for taking time and forsaking your own comfort, even traveling great distance on unfavorable roads and conditions to bring love and assistance to people in time of need. May heaven bless you abundantly for your generosity and noble sacrifice.